Hello and thanks for watching. Today we're talking about the difference between category weights and assignment weights. A brief overview: the category weights are something you set up only once a year and kind of leave it alone. A lot of teachers like to put in classwork as 25%, quizzes 10%. You get the idea. It helps you adjust your quarter and semester grades. There is also a feature called the assignment weight, and that's when you want to adjust the point value of an individual assignment. And I'll show an example of how they both work. So I'm over here in the grade book, and I went to Settings and Traditional Grade Calculations. And when I'm there, I can go to my Actions and edit those categories: classwork 20%, quiz 30%. You get the idea. Then when I go to create an individual assignment, however, I type in that assignment, and typically I use this feature when I'm doing something like a Kahoot. It'll have a strange number of questions like 13 or 17 or 23. And so I use that as a bit of classwork, and I want to enter a point value. Now here's how the extra weighting, works. Let's say my Kahoot was 13 questions. I want this to count for less than 2 points because it's a formative assessment. It shouldn't have a big impact on the grade. So I weight this as 1/10 of the value, and now when it goes in the grade book, it counts for just over 1 point, and I will count this in the final grade. That way I can go straight down my score sheet and enter my 9 out of 13, my 11 out of 13, and I don't have to do any other calculations. I just let the gradebook factor that number to a smaller or larger point value. So this is the relative weight of one assignment versus another assignment.